Hello, this is Eric McMillan with Red Fox Realty, real estate agent down in South Mississippi, headquartered in Laurel, Mississippi. So I service the Laurel and Hattiesburg, Mississippi area. And as promised, I'm going to get you your current market analysis on your property. We call it a CMA for short. And the goal here is when you finish this video, I want you to be equipped to either put your house on the market and get top dollar, or have all of the education you need to choose the right real estate agent and make that house move quickly. Now, if you're in the Laurel and Hattiesburg area, of course, I would love to help you, but let me help you to do what you need to do to sell your property the right way. Now, in my 8+ years of being a real estate agent, I'm going to share with you the common mistakes I see people do that prevents them from selling their property, right? Now, when I say selling their property, I mean getting the money you should get. And there are a few variables. Let me share with you those variables. Getting the right pictures, pricing it right, and cleaning and decluttering, okay? So you want to prepare this property to be able to qualify for all types of loans, whether it be FHA, USDA, conventionally or cash, right? Or selling it cash. Now, if you can get it in position or prepare your property to the point to where it qualifies for all types of loans, you're gonna get more money for your property. So what you want to do is declutter, clean up, get professional photos, and then last, and the most important part, is price it right. And the market analysis that I'm going to give you is going to help you to do that. And I'm going to share why. The common mistake that most people make when pricing their property is they think, okay, let me price it a little higher than what I can sell it so that I have negotiating room, and then give myself the ability to make more money by letting people make offers. While that sounds good theoretically, it doesn't work practically. Because what happens is when you price it too high, it sits. Then it gets a negative stigma, right? So people come, they look at the house and say, that house has been sitting a month. That house has been sitting 2 months. What is wrong with it, all right? So what you want to do is price it just right so that all the people that qualify for your house, in whatever price range you have it, they all see it at once when it's listed. They all go see it at once it's listed, and you get multiple offers. That's always the goal, right? So in order to do that, you have to have the tools to price it right. And the CMA is what you need to do that. So what I'm gonna do is look at all the properties that have sold in the last 6 months to a year that compare to your property. What I mean by compare, it might be a ranch house with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, updated kitchens and bathrooms. I'm gonna look for all houses that fit those qualifications within like a half a mile to a mile radius. That's gonna give me a great idea of what we should sell your house for per square foot. Now, what most people don't know is when appraisers go and appraise your property and they pull comps, right? They're using the MLS. We as agents put those numbers in the MLS, multi-listing system for short. So when I give you the current market analysis, we're not calling it an appraisal. We're calling it a broker price opinion. It's going to be a little different than the appraisal because another factor that I'm looking at is not just what the bank will loan you on that house, but what people are willing to pay for properties like yours. And that's a little different than what the appraisal would be. Sometimes it's the same though, but if you have this information, you can list your property properly, whether it's by yourself or with an agent. But if you're in the Laurel, Mississippi area, I would love to help you list your property. If not, this CMA is gonna help you to do that properly, whether you list it by yourself on Zillow and Facebook Marketplace, or if you choose another agent. Either way, you're gonna have the tools that you need to list and sell your property the right way. But if I can help you again, this is Eric McMillan with Red Fox Realty out of Laurel, Mississippi, and your CMA is on the way.